Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And in that box you will find another white box, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise if you want you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this you will find now below the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray, able to insert two SIM cards if you want. One on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this. So press it well, you hear the little click noise. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner on the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now optional a second SIM card here on the other side. This is optional as I've said. Press it well on both sides now. And this is how it should look like then if you want to have a second SIM card here on that side. It's the same thing. Also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, put the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is on top, to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.